Hello everyone, and welcome to the weekly market outlook. So it's nice to see you there again. So all those new subscribers who are first time there, what we're doing, we are analyzing the market, help you understand the market behavior, and what you will see there on this kind of webinar is you will see there total different looking on how we look on the charts. Okay, so there's much different point of view, okay, than the others are watching or seeing the market. Okay, during the webinar, if you have any question, feel free to ask. Use the chat. I can see both chats. For those who are watching me on YouTube, feel free to use the chat there, and for those who are watching me on TradingView, feel free to use the chat there as well. So what I will go now first through is we will watch what I have shared over there, and we will discuss about our challenge, about our progression, what we are doing inside of the group. Okay, so how we are teaching our new traders to become stable in trading, to develop a stable income, and how to become profitable, let's say like that. Okay, so let's wait a couple of minutes so the others will as well able to join us. That's a little bit unusual time. We usually do this kind of webinars at 7 or 8 p.m. okay, a little bit later, but today I have decided to make it a bit earlier because I don't have time later on. I have as well the the birthday, so thank you everyone for all the birthday wishes. I really appreciate all your comments and all your wishes that you have sent me on private. Thank you very much. Okay, I wasn't that much active as well in our team, in our academy, because on Friday it was the birthday, so I wasn't able to be there with my traders, but my traders took trades alone, okay, so they are capable to do that without me. I just join them when I have time, okay, and this is really good. So okay, I will start on. I hope that the others will also join. If you will not have time to watch it, or if you're not there, you'll anyway have the recording. Recordings will be uploaded there on TradingView and as well on YouTube. So feel free to watch it, rewatch it during the week. It will help you at least, because you cannot remember all the setups that I'm sharing there with you, but you will have that big benefit and you can watch it during the week. And as well, if you're learning, if you're improving your knowledge, if you're upgrading your knowledge and understanding, feel free to share that webinar with your friend. You may help someone. So what we are doing, let's say first quickly what we are doing inside of the group. We are taking trades, we are opening, closing trades together, we are having the same trades, okay? Always, we open it with the same price, we have the same stop losses, enter point is the same, we close it on the same time. So let's say we are taking trades together, and everyone of the team is taking the responsibility to say what to do with the trade, okay? So this is the only way how traders will improve, and we found it really beneficial. Otherwise, it's really a little bit longer to upgrade your knowledge, to get the experience, okay? So if you don't take the responsibilities, I don't know how you imagine trading a live account, or how you imagine to gain the experiences. So this is the only way we're doing that. So far so good. We've been doing this for last month. We already took, I think we are now on 80 trades, okay? So in 4 weeks we took 80 trades. Mostly there are break-even trades. There are some stop losses, 5-6 stop losses maybe, and the rest is in the profit. Okay, so we are doing so good so far. Really active, opening, closing trades. and taking profit as well. Okay, right, and we're discussing about setups, what is good, what we should do, where is the setup developing, and so on. So let's go now what I have shared there with you. First I have shared you there a good setups with you. I think there are 2 weeks now. For 2 weeks setups are there now. From USD CAD, these are the new ideas. Okay, USD CAD, what we are anticipating still there, and what currently happened. We were anticipating to bounce for the upside. So what the price did, it bounces from the trend line. This is what we were anticipating. Now what you should do, if you're already in the trade, great, put all your trades on break even. And if you're not in the trade, for those who are not, wait for the flags and keep on buying. Okay, so wait for all your setups and keep on buying. There's a really nice move which is about to develop in next upcoming week. So this will be the monthly trade. Okay, so the whole next month, let's say this month, and the 5th month, the May, we will be trading the buy on USD CAD. For now, there are no any changes in the setup. Can this still drop down? Yes, it can, but there are no signs of any drop. But you have to protect all your trades. Every trade or whatever you bought there on USD CAD, you have to put on break even. Okay, and those who are not in, follow the flags, follow the setups, find it, lower time frame, and just keep on buying. Okay, so that's what you should do. Just follow the buy stop, ignore all the sells. Here USD. Okay, so what it did since we posted the setup, we've been discussing this as well on every weekly market outlook. So those who are first time there, go back, take some time, watch the previous weekly market outlooks, watch the recordings, and you learn. Okay, you will understand what we are doing. You can get some experience, you can get some feeling of how we are doing it. And I really do recommend doing, or let's say I really recommend watching the recordings. You will improve your knowledge definitely. And if you want, of course, you can join us. Okay, so you can send me the private message if you have any information. If not, then you can simply go to the website tradewithmaster.eu. okay, the website link is over there at the top of my profile, and under every video you'll find the link. So feel free to click on the link, find the membership tab, and once you will complete the registration, I will add you to our group. You will gain the access to all the educational videos. I will add you in our community. We're using the Slack, where we're discussing about the setups, and of course you will be there with us taking trades and taking the responsibilities of the trades as well. Okay, so any questions, send me the DM, no problems, and I will answer you. Okay, do not hesitate, just feel free to contact me. So your USD, what we're doing over there is we took a lot of sell stops. Okay, we made a lot of money over there on this move to the downside over there, and now the price needs to correct or tells us what the price is trying to do. Okay, so there we took some trades over there. They both are on break even. Nothing is there, but we already booked some profit. Now we have to watch how this will develop. This could just correct over there, give us running flat, and hit the bottom, and then it can go for the bigger correction. Okay, so this is what it can develop over there. If you're not skilled enough, I really do not recommend you trading over there. There are many better setups on the market which you should watch if you don't have experience. Okay, because these are a bit for more experienced traders. This could just correct, break down, tag the low, and then it can reverse fast. Okay, so rather wait for the buy or let it totally break, let it correct that, then you can buy. Don't play to sell over there if you have no knowledge, no experience, and at least no strategy how to trade there on the bottom. DXY, what we are doing so far so good. As you can see, went up as expected. A lot of buy setups was there, and what it's doing currently, okay, it went up, it's not moving as we want, so we protected all our trades, close many trades and break even, because this is not the behavior which we want. Okay, so what it could do, if do so, give us the running flat, yes, then we will be back in the trade again, probably above the top, maybe even before breaking the top. That depends on lower time frame, how it will develop, what it will do, what it will show us, and of course we will take a buy. We are still the buyers. We won't gonna sell it until there is a clear solid price action. EuroCAD, what is it doing? Okay, so look at that one. It is doing exactly as expected. Okay, so we are one step ahead of the market. We are not watching any news, we are not reading any news, we are not members of any politician groups. So let's say we are not discussing even about the news. Okay, so there you will not see the talk about politicians. We are not sharing any news. We are just spending our focus on charts. That's all what we have: chart and our brain and our rules and our strategy. How to trade it, where to get in, how to get out, where to take profit, and so on. Okay, this is all what you have to manage or learn before you will become profitable. There's not reading any boring news. Fundamentals are just confusing over there. Young Crypto Moha, can you look for Bitcoin? Yes, I can. We will watch the Bitcoin. Of course, we'll discuss about it. It's currently struggling. I know there are a lot of people watching only Bitcoin. Are there only for Bitcoin analysis? Give me a few minutes and we will come to Bitcoin. So no worries, man. We'll come there, stay there, bear with us, and we will discuss about it. And of course, there is the Euro Chief. Okay, what I have already shared you. It's still correcting over there. Didn't go anywhere. As you can see, we've been anticipating their correction. Not that big one, but it went for the big one. That didn't change anything. There's the still buy setup. How far it can go, you can buy. Be aware, once it breaks the top, you have to be careful. You have to place all your trades on break even, because this momentum can stop there, go down, and then go up. So make sure if you go for this buy that you will not be stopped out. You have to be really fast. Put your trades on break even as fast as you can. So don't just pray and trade in one direction. Okay, so I've seen many people that are just open the trades and then they are praying the trade will go their direction and the market will turn their direction. No, get in, and if the market is not moving your way, get out. Okay, don't wait for anything. Don't let the market show you you're wrong or prove you that you're wrong. If you're wrong, you should not be in the trade. Okay, immediately get out. What else? Euro New Zealand, yeah, right. Euro New Zealand is the last one that I have shared over there. Look at that one. Boom. It works, right? So here's a nice presentation of what we are doing, how we are trading. Okay, every move over there has been anticipated. Everything works as anticipated, right? So really wonderful job. Our strategy works, provenly works. In everyday trading, you can daily trade, you can go for the long-term investment, depends what you have decided to go for. Okay, but the point is that we are anticipating every single move in the market. We know where the market is going. Every single move has been anticipated. Okay, there are just a couple of examples that I have shared there with you, so you can see. Hello my friend, I just joined your stream recently. Did you review Bitcoin? No, not yet. Okay, there are a lot of people asking just about the Bitcoin. No, we didn't reveal yet the Bitcoin. Definitely we'll discuss about it. It's really on interesting spot, and this spot really needs some discussion. So yeah, in 15 minutes, 20 minutes we will be discussing about the Bitcoin. So stay there with us, and we will see what we can do and what we can anticipate with the Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoins. So stay there and learn something until we will reveal the Bitcoin analysis, or let's say the moves. Okay, so this is all what I have shared over there. The rest will be in the weekly market outlook. So those who are first time there, go back, watch the previous weekly market outlooks. Okay, there is a lot of things that you will learn and see how we are doing. Those webinars are really long, 1 to 2 hours. Okay, depends which one. Sometimes we spend 2 hours, sometimes 1.5, and what I'm doing, I'm trying to aim and make it in 1 hour, so it will be really knowledgeable and not too long. Okay, so if you have time, want to learn something, go back, watch those webinars. If you're watching on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, there are as well the timestamp links, so it will be much more easier to watch, okay, or to see what we are discussing about. Okay, so feel free to go to the YouTube and check for the timestamps. Okay, so let's go. Let's start with the DXY first. I will go quickly to the I will quickly go to those with the setups, and then we'll be discussing about the gold, silver, sugar, oil, of course, some indices, and then as well we will watch and discuss about the crypto. Okay, crypto seems to be really popular, really interesting those days. So we'll watch those moves together. If you have any questions during the webinar, feel free to comment and I will answer all your questions. And keep in mind that you guys on YouTube can comment as well. Okay, so I see both of the chats, so use the chat and let's go. Let's do this. DXY, what we are doing currently over there we have a running flat. It didn't plays out really nice, so that's the reason why we closed all the trades. Okay, the chart it's not moving. What can we anticipate there? It could be even the bigger correction before the next wave will continue to the upside. So something like this is quite anticipated over there. It could happen, but we will watch the 1 hour correction. We'll see how this part develops over there, and then we will, based on that, take the buy. Okay, so if you're experienced enough, keep an eye it, watch if there it will be the flat and then more upside, or there it could be as well one more running flat and then they go, or it could be as well the expanded flat and then they go. Which one? We have no idea. We just have to watch it every day and see what is it trying to do. Don't guess in the future. Don't guess what it will do, because nobody does know what it will guess or which pattern will appear over there. Okay, so don't do this boring stuff. You always have to trade what the market gives you. Okay, don't try to guide the market. Don't be the person who is trying to tell the market what the market should do. Okay, be the smart guy and follow the market. What the market is doing, if you see that correctly, follow it. You will make a lot of money over there. Okay, USD CAD, look at that one, it's going nicely. We still see this as a impulsive movement. This is a nice flag over there in the making, and what we should have there in the upcoming week, there should be a nice flag correction or whatever kind of the correction. It could be as well a nice pullback, something like this, and then more upside should appear over there. Okay, so definitely we will be aiming for the upside. Okay, so look at that one, they always do this kind of the stuff. They can just spike down. Definitely you should go for the buy. Don't trade when the price is in correction. You should be in the trades when these are moving aggressively. Okay, only the way like that will make money. You will just lose your patience, you will lose your focus if you will be stuck in the correction. USD Chief, there are a lot of break-even trades. We've been trading this few times. It didn't give us nice momentum, so that's the reason why we took off the trade. Okay, my traders took that off, didn't go well, so break-even trades. We will definitely rewatch and look at the structure. What we are currently having over there is, I think this could still be the running flat for more upside. Okay, this could be the running flat for more upside, so keep an eye and see how this trade will go back at the top during the week, next week, and trade it, of course. Okay, follow the flags, trade it, at least break this top, and what I'm aiming over there is to tag that one top. Okay, then we will have a big flat over there. Okay, so something like this is what we will have on the USD Chief. This will be the daily flat over there, and then more downside. Of course you can go for this movement. Okay, it's worth of taking it. I think there is the nice 125 pips, so it's worth of taking the trade over there. Okay, wait for the flag, go for it. USD Chief, what we're having, not Chief, Mexican peso, sorry. Mexican, what it's trying to do is, I think we'll have a bigger correction over there. This could go like this, and then drop. So once this is completed, you can go for the buy, short-term buy, take your profit, prepare yourself for the sell. If you want, if you have experience, go for it. Can you go for the sell? If this corrects there, then you can go for the sell back at the previous top, take off your profit, wait for next wave to the upside, then we will have a different pattern, different correction over there. It will take the top and then you will take a sell. Okay, so easy. This is how market will develop. If so, then this. If this, then this. Okay, so as you can see, you always need rules. If market do this, then I have to do this, and this. Okay, if market do this, then I have to behave like this, right? So that's correct behavior. Use this South African rand. It's trying to correct. Okay, there was a couple of buys over there. If you took the buy, this is the break-even trade or small profit. You should not be holding it. Okay, so keep an eye there. This could still be one more push to the upside before breaking to the downside. Can I take the break to the downside? No, definitely not. You need to have a sell setup before you're taking any sell. Okay, don't just blindly jump into the market. That's not making sense. XAUUSD. XAUUSD, I think it has the first wave of the correction. Okay, I think this is the first part of the correction. Now what it will do, it can go in the flat, and then they will continue the huge wave to the upside. So how far and how it will develop, look at that one. That's what I'm anticipating. This is the first part of the structure. Second and third minimum. It could stay much more complicated. Okay, it could stay there, struggle for the sideways, and then go for the high, break this top. But this is must. Okay, we will see the break of this top. That must happen. Okay, this will happen. So keep an eye, watch for this, how it develops. At least 3 waves are needed over there before you can anticipate the next move. Now the question is how this will look like. It will get complicated, it will get big, will it be small, will it be fast? This all counts. So you have to train your eyes, you have to develop knowledge to recognize when this is ready, then you will be in the trade. Okay, you will be in the trade. So how you should do this? Let this move to appear, let this move to appear, then with this second wave, then you will know. If price will stop by the previous stop, then you can anticipate the third wave will just go back at the previous low, and then it will go to the upside nicely. So then it will be the time to start buying it. From the bottom, close to the previous low, is where you will start watching for your buy setups. Okay, easy. Can I go for this buy? Definitely you can go for this buy. Okay, what you should do, or what you should do in the upcoming week, watch and track this movement over there. Okay, let it break, probably it will be much more easy for you. Let it correct, take a buy back at the previous stop, you take off your profit, watch for the sell, wait for the sell stop. Okay, take a sell, take your profit, then you watch for the buy, and then you hold it. It's gonna go high and tagging this daily high over there. Okay, so easy, right? You have to know how correction develops, which corrections exist. You need the rules, how you get in case if this is not, you need the rules how you will as well get out of the trade. Okay, how you will exit the trade. If you want to speed up your trading process, of course you'll have to join us. Okay, we will teach you, give you the rules, you'll be trading with us. We will guide you to those processes. You will take as well the responsibilities which you need to take if you would love to become profitable trader or independent trader, and as well to be trading for a living. You cannot do that without those responsibilities. Okay, trading, it's not an easy job. It's really, let's say, complicated if you don't know what you're doing, if you don't have the rules. Okay, but in our group everything is much easier. We'll help you, guide you through that path of success, and we will support you on every step that you take. Okay, so let's go. Aussie Chief, what you're having over there, it will still go for the correction. Okay, so all the Aussie pairs, I think they have to make that kind of the correction. Okay, so this could just go something like this. They don't need to break the top, the bottom, sorry. They don't need to break the top, but definitely they can struggle over there a little bit lower, and then they will go nicely to the upside. It will give us the running flat, and then it will continue its way to the upside. Can I take the sells? Yes. Okay, if you find any sell over there, you can take the sell. Okay, feel free to take it. Some money, get in, get out, and book some profit. Okay, then you wait for the big buy. Aussie New Zealand, same there. Okay, they are as well correcting over there. There it could be a little bit different. Flat could appear before next move to the upside, or it could just go now, give us a running flat, and it will give you the buy. This sell will not be tradable probably. You have to skip it, and then you have to watch for the buy setup. Aussie cat, same there. What is it trying to do? It's gonna go slowly pushing lower. Definitely you could find some sell stops over there on lower time frame. Get in, get out. Okay, book profit. Do not anticipating to break this low. Okay, so we are really not anticipating that the price will go and break that low, but of course some nice sell setups will still appear over there on this way to the downside. New Zealand chief. Okay, just a second guys, I have to take a sip of water, I'm talking too fast. Okay, so let's continue. New Zealand chief, what it's trying to do, I think there it will be the bigger correction as it looks like. Okay, so if this corrects, take a sell, be careful once it breaks the low. If this is gonna go and tag the previous low, then that has to start really fast, okay, with more momentum. But what's the question over there now, right now? If these do so, and it's stopped by the previous low, break it slightly and struggle, it's gonna go and break out of the structure. That's gonna go for breaking this top. And of course, you have to be in this buy. But of course, if it goes for the downside, you should catch this as well for the downside. So what you should do? What is the recommendation I can give you? Wait for the flag, take a sell, be careful, put on break even. If it goes breaks, you have a nice seller there. Oh, what did you mean has a pattern? Which one? Which pattern did you mean? This one, New Zealand chief, has the pattern, okay? It's just the half of the pattern over there. We are in the bigger pattern, but inside of the pattern there are still the patterns, as you can see. Okay, so that's what you have to be careful. You have inside of these daily patterns small patterns, and even in these small patterns on 15 minutes you have more patterns within these movements over there. Okay, and this is powerful. When you're downgrading the time frames, you have to be really experienced and stable in the direction, and then you'll catch a nice trade. Of course, you have to always stick to the higher time frame direction. So what this one's trying to do, okay, so like I said, if it slightly drop, struggle there, it will go back to break the top. If there will be the sell, take a sell, you may have a lot of luck and it will go break the low. Okay, this is what we will do inside of the academy. We'll watch it and see how it develops. New Zealand USD. This could be the completed pattern and we are going totally downside. Okay, totally retesting the previous low. It's really possible. So let's see how that develops. In the next upcoming days you would love to see some correction before taking the sell. Okay, so do we have anything right now? No, nothing yet. Okay, this is just small behavior. Okay, if this gives us the flag, take a sell. If it's stopped by the previous low, it can get into the bigger flat and then it will continue to the downside. Definitely watch your sell stops. Okay, it may start going fast. New Zealand cat, struggle there. Any correction, take a sell. Once we break this, we break it already, yeah. Okay, so let it drop now, let it correct, then get into the trade. Okay, that's what you can do. Okay, let it drop, let it correct, get into the trade, back at the previous low. It's what you will be targeting. Euro dollar is like I said, this one could go for the running flat, go down, break the low, and then reverse to the upside. If you want to go for this sell, you have to be damn experienced and you have to use the 15-minute time frame at least. And if you're skilled, you can use 1 hour as well. You have to see the opportunity or you have to see the setup. Okay, definitely we'll do so because this could just break down the previous low and it could be a nice trade. If not, and if you're not skilled enough, let this low be breaking. Okay, let it break the bottom, wait for the correction and take a trade. This will be much more easier to catch. Okay, because otherwise you have to be careful what the price it's gonna do around the previous low. EuroCAD works really nicely. Okay, on the profile I have shared that setup. Once we were there, it do this, now it's doing this. Okay, you see every single move has been predicted. Isn't that nice? Isn't that powerful? And this is what I'm trying to teach the people. Okay, this is what we are doing. every move needs to be forecasted. You have to understand how market moves. You don't need to understand why it moves based on the fundamentals. Okay, that's not making sense. That will just mislead you, and you ain't gonna predict this. Okay, fundamentals cannot predict few ways forward. Okay, you cannot be ahead of the market with reading the news, with reading the fundamentals. You will just get yourself in troubles. Isn't descending? No, there wasn't any descending channel. Sorry for that. Trading against the trend, it's not that difficult. It's not that difficult. You just have to move on a break even really fast. Okay, it's a good question. Many people are asking this: how to trade against the trend. Okay, usually we don't do this, but if we decided to take and trade against the trend, then we move our trades on break even really fast. Okay, this is what you have to do. Move your trade on break even as fast as you can if you are aware or if you understand that you are trading against of the trend. Okay, but of course I do agree, once you are on the bottom or once you are at the top, you have to trade against the trend. Okay, this is the must. This is what you have to do. Okay, you cannot do any other type of trading than trading against. Only the way like that you'll catch a nice trade at the bottom or at the top. That totally depends where you are. This is why you have to understand the higher time frame picture. You always have to know where you are located on the higher time frame. Are we at the top? Are we at the bottom? Where the price can go? How far correction can go, and so on. Okay, but don't tell the market which correction should do. The market will tell you which correction will do, and you have to read it correctly and then go in this direction what the market has told you. Okay, if you watch what I'm always explaining there is, if you watch those candles, if you watch the candlesticks, that's just the letters. Okay, you have to read them. You have to read this part of the structure, you have to read this part of the structure, you have to read this one, and based on those you have to then understand the upcoming waves. Okay, and now I'm getting much more clear picture. Once I will read that correctly as we did, okay, then we will know the longer term direction, and there the big trades will come in. Okay, always stick to the higher time frame. Don't go lower time frame if you're not experienced enough, because on lower time frame charts move too fast and you don't have that many experience to react that fast, let's say like that. Okay, it's really confusing on lower time frame. So to become profitable, to generate profit, you don't need a lower time frame. You can develop profits on 1 hour, as our traders are doing now. On the challenges we are tracking trades, we are tracking it on 1 hour currently, and they are doing an amazing job. Okay, our traders are doing an amazing job. We took 80 trades already, and everything is the same if you watch the lower time frame. Okay, you just have a little bit more time, and the trades are still good. Okay, still nice money is over there, and a lot of experience, what is the most important. Okay, there's really not a lot of trades. Let's say there are 5 stop losses on 80 trades. Okay, so our statistic is that we already took 80 trades, and 5 to 6 trades I think they hit the stop loss. Okay, the rest, so let's assume, or let's add some, let's say in the big picture that we took 10 trades more. Okay, that we lost 4 trades more. So let's say we lost 10 trades, what we didn't. Okay, 6 is what we lost, and let's say we lost 10, we still have 70 trades. And in these 70 trades, what we did, we took most of them or a lot of them on break even. So we took, I don't know, 30-40 trades on break even. Okay, and then there are still 30 to 40, okay, 30 to 40 depends how much are on the break even, are still in the big profit or a small profit. So what we are in the long term, we are in the profit. That's the point. Okay, our accounts are growing. It doesn't matter how fast and how, but they are growing. That's the point of trading, and that's what I'm currently doing with my traders. Okay, we are managing trades together, opening them, taking profits together, taking decisions together, and so on. Okay, this is power of trading. It's not about one-to-one. Let's say if you open one trade with profit, another stop loss, minus, plus, minus, plus, this is the zero. Okay, you will not make any money. But this is powerful. This is what you have to understand, and this is how strategy should work. Okay, so let's go. I don't want to take up that webinar for too long. So you're a cat. Okay, if you want to know what we did over there, go watch previous forecasts. We've been forecasting this one, we've been forecasting this one, and we've been forecasting this one. Now we are forecasting this one. Did we take opportunity? Did we trade all of those movements? Of course we did. Okay, there was a lot of setups. We saw that move is coming. We take the trades over there. We took some money, break-even trades, or a small profit. Okay, that's what we did. What we will do now, we will be going for this move over there. Okay, buying it's what we should do. Can this break down and then go? Yes, possibility exists. Okay, this could just break down now. Okay, that could break down, break the low, and then they will go for this one. Okay, for this one, and then they will drop. Possible. Okay, just keep in mind. Let's see how that develops. If it goes for the sideways, it's gonna go drop. Okay, if it breaks up, give you the flag, buy it. It's gonna go breaking this top at least. Okay, this is how you have to behave, and then you'll be selling. Of course, you have to sell. There to be a lot of money. So here Aussie, what he's trying to do, we tried to catch some buys, we didn't manage to get in. Now we have to see what this is trying to do in lower time frame. On 1 hour is what we will see. Okay, depends how this develops. If give us nice flag, we can take a buy, get in, break even trade or small profit, then it will go for the downside, or one more low and then up. Which one we have no idea, but definitely if this is gonna go struggle over there like this, we will have a nice running flat over there, and we are going totally to the downside. Definitely you should go for the sell stops. Sell stops is what you have to take over there on your Aussie. Let's say we allow you to miss the buy, but we do not allow you to miss the sell. It's gonna be a nice movement over there. You'll make a nice money. So make sure that you will catch the sell over there. Oops, sorry. Here in New Zealand, same there. Running flat in the making. Let's do whatever it wants to do. Finish the running flat. Don't trade now, okay? Don't go for this trade. It's not worth of taking it. Rather watch for sell stops. Prepare yourself for your sell stops, okay? Watch it every day. Keep in mind. Wait for the flag. Go for the sell. Lower time frame, it's your friend. Let's go for it, okay? This is your trade to downside over there for the upcoming week. Your chief correcting over there. I still think that this is correcting, going higher. It can. Okay, I'm not saying it will. It can, so you have to be aware of. It can stop by the previous top, go lower, break the low, and then go high, break the top, and then they will go lower. Okay, so be aware of this kind of the formation over there. But what we can do, let it break. Okay, let it correct, take a buy. We're gonna go and break this top at least, so minimum of the profit will be breaking the previous top. Okay, can we find the buy over there as well? Yes, possible. Okay, this is what we'll wait for. Euro GBP, wonderful chart. What we are doing, taking the buys, of course. Okay, for me this is still the running flat. Okay, this is still the huge running flat, and what the price will do, let's see what it's trying to do. Let it correct, go for the buy. Okay, buy is gonna be a nice trade, and you have to go for the buy. Okay, wait for the buy setups, wait for buy flags, go for it. It's a really good chart, nice money sitting over there. You can easily make a lot of money, so at least 222 pips. This is the minimum what you can catch. Okay, so wait for the flag and just go for it. Your Polish zloty, let's see what it's trying to do. It's keep on pushing lower, so what this could do, giving you the flat before going lower, probably will not be tradable next upcoming week. Can I go for the sell? Yes. Okay, you can take a sell if you're experienced enough. Tagging the low, take your profit, go for the buy. Tagging the high, go for the sell. Okay, easy. Okay, Euro Nokian, It's already pushing lower. I'm not recommending you taking the trades over there. We are at the bottom, so no sells over there. You can watch for the buy stop. That could just struggle over there, drop down, then go up, and then they drop. So be careful. I'm really not recommending you trading over there. There are many better setups, so stay away from them. Pound yen can go for the bigger correction. If this goes like this, take the trend line, giving you the flat, then anticipate one more push higher. They can even tag the top, then they go down, giving you the flat, and then they will go higher. Okay, of course we will watch that correctly, and we will take opportunity of every single trade. Okay, we have to trade to make money, not just watch. So we will definitely watch, tracking this development over there and see what the price is trying to do. Can go down from there? Yes, it can. Definitely will go for the sell as well. CAD yen. This could be a part of the expanded flat as well, taking the high, going lower, and then going higher. Okay, quite complicated. The MPRs are a little bit complicated. Aussie yen is not that complicated. I think this is all what we have from the second wave. Okay, 1, 2. Now this is all what we have. We will definitely break this low. Okay, so here is a nice flag in the making. So watch this one and take the opportunity. Breaking the top is the must, or what we will have. 99.9% is what we are aiming for as previous low. Go for the trade, take the trade, break the low, take profit, and prepare yourself for the buy. Okay, easy. Your yen really slowly struggling over there, and I think this is not all of the correction. I don't see this one will be breaking up. Okay, what they can do is, we have some complicated structure on lower time frame. Let me move on lower time frame. What we are having over there is this one. Okay, this kind of behavior, slowly pushing. They can even push out of this structure, break all those tops, breaking out, and chart still has to come down. So what we will do, watch it. Watch if you can find any sell setup. Okay, sell setup in the upcoming week on all the yen pairs. It's really good. Okay, just to break previous lows of the structure. Okay, the structures which I am showing to you right now. Okay, find the flag, lower time frame, take the sell and take off profit on the break of the low. Once it breaks this low over there, you can prepare yourself to start buying it. Okay, we will go higher on all the yen pairs, so check it correctly. New Zealand yen. This one, it's already trying to push lower. Okay, already trying to push lower, and we took a sell over there. That didn't go anywhere. Okay, and now what we are having over there is this one. Come on, what was that? Okay, this move. Okay, go for it, take a sell, breaking the low, buy. Okay, you see all yen pairs behaving really the same. Let's say not totally the same, but they are similar. 90% similarity is on all the yen pairs. Now you have to choose the best one, which one to take, which one has the better potential, then you're gonna go for the trade. Okay, don't just choose all of them, that's not making sense. Choose one of them, the best one. You have to filter them out. You see which one it has the nice structure, nice confirmation, nice flags, nice opportunity, nice target, then you go for it. Okay, don't just blindly pick one. Okay, that's not making sense. Choose one. Not choose one. Choose the one with the better risk to other ratio, potential, and so on. The best one is always needs to be chosen. Okay, so this one to going lower. Chief yen, what is trying to do? They will as well go lower. Okay, this is not all of the structure. This is the second part of the structure. We still has to go tagging this low. Use the yen, same there. Let it tag the high, or probably close to it. Then this downside. Okay, so we will see all yen pairs going for this. Okay, we have this one, huge buy over there. Now we have this, and mostly they are close to the previous top. Okay, they are close to the previous top. What we are anticipating is one leg lower like this one in the upcoming week, breaking this low, the previous low. Let me take it with another color. We see we are anticipating this, But what you have to understand and what you have to trade, if you want to make money, this sell. Okay, if you're not capable of trading it, let these two happen, and definitely you should go for this movement over there. Okay, got me? Do you got the point? Okay, so this move will be really short-term movement. Let's say it could be just the daily trade over there. Pound USD, what is it trying to do? Pound USD, it's gonna go for the bigger correction as well over there. Okay, what I am seeing over there, and what you should see as well over there, it's this. Okay, this is option number one. Or next one, this going down, correct there, take a buy. If it stops somewhere there, it could be the running thread for more downside, or a total reversal to the upside. Which one? We have no idea currently. But if this so, definitely we'll take a buy, and then after we will take a buy, we will decide, is this going to break out of the structure, or it will be just the running thread for more downside. Okay, this is the knowledge, this is what you have to understand. Pound chief, going for the bigger correction as it looks like. Okay, I'm not sure this is all of the correction. Oops, sorry, I'm on daily, sorry for that. I'm not sure. Come on, what's this? I'm not sure that this is all the correction. If it is, and if do so, you should not be the seller. Okay, what you have to do, wait for the correction, take a sell once you have the correction. Okay, because this could still be the confirmation for more upside, and this could be slightly pushing higher, giving you the running flat over there. Okay, not running flat, the flat. Okay, so sorry for that. It could as well go like this and then down. Okay, this is the possibility which can develop, so be careful really on this spot. If it gives you the flag for sell, take a sell. You have to take the opportunity. It could be a nice move over there as well. Pound Aussie, interesting. I think it will be the bigger move over there, the bigger correction, I think. Okay, so what we can anticipate, come on, sorry for that. What I think, it will develop this going higher and then they drop. Okay, so we can say that the market will be in this big correction for next whole week. Okay, something like this, the big structure, it's what I'm anticipating over there before next push to the downside. Can I take the buy? Yes, of course. Okay, once this is completed over there, you can take a buy, small profit, take off a profit, but definitely you have to take a sell. Okay, this sell could be huge. It could move sharply. Okay, how far back at this low? Okay, so nice money will be over there, and you should not miss it. Okay, you should not miss it. You just have to develop. You just have to let the correction develop and then take the opportunity. 1,500 pips it's about to be made with a single trade. Okay, so now imagine taking only 2 or 3 trades. Okay, by only taking 3 trades, you will be making close to 500 pips. 5,000, sorry. 5,000 pips. Can you imagine that? That's a nice money, and this is what will grow your account. Definitely you should not miss it, and I'm keep on repeating so you will not miss it. Pound New Zealand, let's see what it's trying to do. I think this expanded flat is completed. Okay, what we are seeing over there is this as expanded flat. Okay, expanded flat formation. Let's put this one like this. Okay, can I take the sell right now? No, definitely you should not take a sell over there. There is no selling opportunity currently on the market, on Pound New Zealand. I mean, wait for flag, take a sell. Pound CAD, this correction could be completed. Yes, this could be completed, and this could just start pushing lower. I guess some of them are already ready. Pound New Zealand, Pound CAD are already ready. Pound Aussie, Pound Chief, they will move lately. Let's say like that. The last one, CAD Chief, it's gonna go there. Correction, more downside, breaking the low. It's what we will see, and then buy. Chief Nokian, non-tradable. It's gonna go probably correction low and then higher. So don't chase it. It's not looking good. Gold, okay. Many of you are asking me for the gold. been anticipating a lot there on gold. Okay, so look at that one, how nicely they behaved. This was anticipated, this was anticipated. What we're anticipating now, going higher, give us the flag, going lower, breaking all those lows, and then we may have a turning point. Okay, so let's see how that develops. Can I take a buy? Yes, short-term daily trade will be over there. If flag appears, take a buy, get out of the trade immediately, take profit, prepare yourself for the sell, breaking the low, taking profit, go for the buy. Okay, it's gonna be an easy trade over there as well. Silver is same there. Okay, correcting, going higher, giving you something like flag over there, and then more downside, one more push lower, like it was there, it will be there, then we may have a turning point as well, and then the continuation to the upside. You see how far, or how we are preparing ourselves, or how we see the market. Okay, we are seeing it wave by wave, correction by correction. That's how you have to watch the chart. Okay, so it's like a puzzle. Okay, chart and market is like a puzzle. It doesn't matter if this is the forex, it doesn't matter if this is the gold, silver, crypto, whatever. Crypto works the same way. Okay, I will show you on the Bitcoin, and those who've been there with me since last few months, okay, they know how Bitcoin goes, and you will see that it goes exactly as anticipated. Okay, so if you don't believe, go back, watch the recording, and you will see what we did. Okay, it works exactly as we anticipated, and only the way like that you will be able to take trades, to take the responsibility, to make money and trade. Okay, otherwise you cannot trade if you don't know how and when market moves. Okay, we'll show you now quickly. We'll come to the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is really the hottest one. Everyone knows and asking just about the Bitcoin. We will discussing about the Bitcoin. Okay, we have a lot of discuss over there. So this one, let it go for this kind of correction, and one more low before next wave higher. Sugar, what is sugar trying to do? Let's see. Sugar is gonna go for one more drop, give us the running flat, and then next push higher. Sugar definitely will go higher. Oil, what the oil is trying to do? I think that the oil will go for the correction over there. I don't see we will go down. Okay, oil ain't gonna go down lower right now. It's gonna go for the sideways movement, gives us the flat over there, and then drop again, and then it will rise again. I'm really anticipating during the next few months, or let's say by the end of the year. Okay, by the end of the year, I'm really seeing that the oil is gonna go higher. I don't care about the fundamentals, but oil, it will rise. Okay, I really see it going higher. So this to go like this. If this so, then this will come, and then we will go high. 160 is the price what we are anticipating on the oil. So keep an eye, watch it closely. Let's see if it will develop like anticipated. Okay, and track every wave and trade every wave. Yeah, M&M, thank you very much. So he's warning to like the streaming. Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much for all your likes, for all your support. I'm really happy to see this kind of the positive feedback. Thank you very much. Okay, so I'm always doing the best. Thank you. So let's go. This could go back, this, and then lower. Okay, nice development over there. Oil, UK oil, the same can appear. There it could be the small sell, take a sell, break the low. Did we break it already? No. That one still has to break the low, take off a profit, go high, tag the top, go lower, break all those lows, and then they will go high. Okay? Structure which will get a little bit complicated. If you have skills, if you know how to trade, go for this movement, of course. Don't go for the sell. Okay? But definitely you can go for this buy, tag the high, take profit, go for the sell, break all those lows, take the profit, go for the buy, enjoy your profits. Easy. You'll generate a nice profits over there across the market. Natural gas, you will watch it right now. See, we're going step by step. Hello there, what is your opinion on pound yen? Mine is short correction of previous bull market. You're a little bit late. We already discussed about the pound yen. Okay, so let me just quickly move and answer your question, then we will go with natural gas. Okay, so we already passed it. Okay, so if you joined it already, you have to watch the recording, guys. I don't want to make this streaming to make too long. Okay, would love to keep it short with a lot of knowledge. So pound yen, they can just go, it can go for the flat over there, then go back, take the top and then drop. That's the one option. Another option, break, correct, take a sell, take your profit, it's gonna go break the low, and then it will continue its way to the upside. It's gonna be a nice flag for more upside over there. Both directions are buy, okay? So this is what we are anticipating. Keep an eye, watch it, follow the waves. Natural gas, what the natural gas trying to do, let me show you. Oh, we already tagged the high. This is good. Now you have to keep an eye on it, okay? Keep an eye on it. I really do not recommend you buying it. If you've been buying it over there, all those buys, if you took off your profit, okay, it could go for the sideways movement over there before next push to the upside, okay? I'm really anticipating their sideways movement. I don't care about the fundamental. I don't care about the war, okay? War, it's not what I'm interested. I'm interested for this movement over there. This, okay? So sell. Can go higher, yes. Let go in higher, correct over there. Then I will bought. Otherwise, I will not bought. If drops correct, I will definitely sell back at the previous low. It's gonna be a nice opportunity over there. So keep an eye, watch it, and take the trades. Okay, you should not be afraid of taking the trades. Never ever. Okay, so Nasdaq 100. Sorry for that, just joined it, thank you. No worries. Okay, so if you just joined it, you'll have to watch the recording. Okay, no worries, but feel free to ask anything. Anyway, we are here to answer all your questions. So sorry, Nasdaq 100 is going lower. So is this gonna go correct? More downside? Yes, possible. Breaking this low is what we will be aiming for. So track your trades for sell. Okay, 1 hour, what we have currently, there is some correction, or let this correct and then take a sell. Okay, or let it break, let it correct there, take a sell back at the previous low. This is much more safe option and stable option. SP 500 trying to push lower, but that's not the momentum we're trying to push. Okay, if this so, go for the sell. If it's not moving, take off your profit, then it will go higher. But you have to take this sell. You have to watch this development. You have to take this sell. You have to close it by the previous low. If it's struggling, then you have to take a buy and take off your profit, and then it will go lower. For me, this can go lower. Okay, it's worth of taking the opportunity because this could go all the way down. Okay, so this could be one huge correction pushing just back at this low. This will be the minimum, so you can take it. Okay, you can take the sell. US 30. Okay, this could be running flat. We are going lower. Okay, keep an eye, watch it closely. Can be the buy as well. Yes, then I will buy it after breaking and then taking the buy, breaking this top. UK 100 slowly pushing, no buying. As you can see, we are just retesting the top, and that's gonna go and drop down aggressively. Okay, that's gonna go and drop down aggressively. I don't think this is gonna go higher. If do so, let it break, let it crack, then you buy. You don't buy by the previous top. This is too dangerous. This could just turn to the downside, so don't do stuff like that. Okay, so keep an eye, watch it, how it develops. Rather wait for the reaction, correction, take a sell. Sell is gonna be a nice back at the previous low. FR40, this is correcting over there. If do so, take a sell. Previous low is your target. U50, same there, correction, take a sell, this is your target. German 30, same there, correction, this is your target. JP 225, correction, this is your target. Aussie 200, yes, correction, one more high maybe, and then drop. If it, from now there is no sell stop currently. Okay, so there is no sell stop. Let it correct, let it go higher, or let it drop, let it correct, then you take a sell. HK 50, nothing there. No, I mean nothing there. It will be there. Let it drop, let it correct, and you'll take a sell. And this one as well. Okay, nothing yet is over there. So here we are now, finally on the crypto. So where are the guys who've been following me for since a while? Okay, Bitcoin did as expected. Hope you have developed some money or made some money, let's say like that. Structure has been developing as we are anticipating it. and of course all the altcoins. Okay, so if you do understand the behavior of Bitcoin, you will be able to make money on altcoins as well. Okay, so as you know, we've been buying those coins from the bottom. Now they are going lower. You should close them on a break even or close them with a profit. That totally depends on you. What are your rules to exit the trade, or what is your target? Are you planning to trade it for a long term? Would you love to, I don't know, just take the short term opportunities and reinvest your money? That's your plan. Okay, so I ain't gonna go that much into details. This is this is the talk inside of the academy. Okay, so crypto guys, did you learn anything? I hope so. Okay, I hope you do so. You should learn this. We've been discussing this behavior over there, and it's doing exactly like that. Okay, so those who are first time there, watch the last 2 weekly market outlooks and watch how this structure develops. Did it develop as we anticipated or it didn't? Okay, you choose. Watch it, see what I'm saying, see how it develops, and you have to confirm if this is developing. So okay, so what we are anticipating currently for the Bitcoin is this. Okay, so if you are selling, great. One more sell, take a sell, take off your profit. That's gonna give you the running flat over there. It's gonna go up, break all those tops, and then it will drop down back to 30k at least, and then we'll have a final push to the upside. Option number 1. Option number 2, this going higher and keep going, and this will be all that we have. Okay, this will be all. This is the low, or this will be the end of the structure, like this one. Oh shit, not that one. This will be all the correction we have. Okay, but I don't think so. Okay, I don't see this is all of the correction. It's gonna go higher. If it's so, then definitely we'll take the opportunity. We watch the charts every day. We will see this in the making, but currently we don't see this behavior over there. What we are seeing over there is structure like this. Structure like this. This going lower, a little bit lower, going higher, drop again, break the top, go lower, break the 30k low level, and then they will go higher. Okay, it's gonna go for sideways, and here is where you need experience if you want to be a leverage trader. If you're trading all those moves, okay, if you're trading this movement, if you're trading this movement, you need experience. If you want to take opportunity on this one, and if you want to trade this one, you need skills, you need the knowledge, you need the rules, you need the strategy. Okay, if you don't have them, if you're struggling, then you have to join our team. We will teach you and we will show you how to do this. It's not hard. If you have the rules, if you stick to the rules, it's really easy. If you don't, then you are struggling. Okay, then you have a lot of problems, especially if you don't know how waves are developing and how they are appearing, and how you can take trades based on knowing which wave it's about to appear. Okay, so what you should do upcoming week, okay, let it correct. Even now I think it's completed. Yeah, almost completed. Okay, so take a sell and see how it goes. Okay, you can take a profit if it's not moving fast enough. Take off your profit, go for the buy, break this top, then go for the sell, go for the another buy, and then drop. Easy. And definitely, yes, what you have to do is buying. Once we break this low, this is where you should start watching for buy setups. Easy, right? So hope you guys have understand that behavior of the crypto. If you have any questions, use the live chat right now. Okay, ask whatever you want. If you are watching the recording, or if you currently don't know what to ask, you can leave a comment as well. Okay, those who are watching me on YouTube, feel free to leave a comment. I will see all the comments, I will answer your comments, and if there will be any interesting, or if your question will be interesting, then we will discuss about what again? What did you mean Bitcoin, please, again? I don't understand what did you mean by Bitcoin, please again. Did you got lost or? Okay, I will show you the moves which I'm anticipating, right? So it will be maybe much more easier to understand me. Okay, so this is what you can trade. First small sell is what I'm anticipating. Then this may go high, break the top, this top over there, okay? And then it will go drop, tag the trend line, correction will get bigger of course, something like this. Then price can go back at the top, break the top again, and then they will drop down to break this low minimum, okay? So 30k, somewhere 30k, and then the big buy will appear, okay? This is option number one, which can appear over there. Another option is, let me take this off, this second part, okay? Another option is this to be the running flat and this to be all time, I mean not all time low, this to be the current low we have, and we are finally heading to the upside, and this will be, and we of course have to take these buys over there. Take those buys, because you will never know if these moves will take off or not until it will start to take off. So you have to be in the trade before that happens. So once you are taking the opportunity to be a buyer over there, once it will take the top, you will see what the price will do. If it will start to struggle over there, great, giving you the confirmation for more upside, even better. Then you have the confirmation for more upside. If not, it will take the top, start to struggle, go lower. Okay, this is what you have to understand. You have to be in the trade before something completes itself, because if something is completed and you're getting into the trade once something is completed, your entry point will suck. Okay, you will not have enough time to manage your trade. You will not have enough time to take the decision. Okay, no time for taking the decision. That's gonna be a problem. Okay, but for now let's stick to this. Okay, much more complicated structure before going higher. Okay, so keep in mind, you can keep a screenshot as well. You can watch the recording during the week, of course. I will put the timestamps as I did in the previous recording. Okay, on the YouTube I have put the timestamps where we discuss about something, or where was the important discussion about, and you can take a look what we've been discussing about. Okay, so let's move forward. Bitcoin dominance, that could go higher. Okay, that depends what the Bitcoin is trying to do. Okay, rather follow the Bitcoin than Bitcoin dominance. The rest of the altcoins, what they can do, they can go for a new low. Okay, this is the spot where we bought. Okay, and if you are there with us on 8th of March, then you should have the same buys over there. Okay, you should at least have how much? 40% I think of the profit. Yeah, this was the 46% and still 50% in the profit. If not, want to hold it, worst case break even, and you will be buying once it breaks the low. You'll be buying again. So that's all what you can do. And now you have nothing to do. There's no buy setup. Okay, don't buy right now. Okay, don't buy right now. They can go lower. Okay, this could be the correction for more upside, correct, and then they go lower, break the low, then you buy again. Okay, all of them are doing the same. You see, this is the running flat, correction there, break the low, then they go higher. API key, same there, running flat, going higher, break low, and then going higher. Okay, ETP USD, same there, going higher, something like this, drop down, breaks all the lows, then going higher. LITH, this one going lower, going higher, going lower, and then going higher. Okay, can be complicated over there. Okay, so breaking higher, breaking higher. So stay away from it if you don't know how to trade it. MTA USDT, so Meta trying to give us some buy setup, so let's see. Okay, you have to track it during the week and you will see. ADA USDT, ZL USDT, yes, we'll watch them. Let me just have a look on ADA USDT first. Here it is, what it's trying to do. Not much. Okay, not much. If all the altcoins are dropping, then I do believe ADA will drop as well. Okay, you see, breaking off the trend line doesn't mean anything. Look at that one, really nice educational example that breaking the trend line doesn't mean anything. And people that are trading and relying only on the single trend line has no knowledge. Okay, I've seen a lot of mentors, a lot of wannabe traders, a lot of wannabe professional traders relying on trend line, which doesn't mean anything. It's about the pattern, it's about the behavior. Okay, one single trend line doesn't mean anything, so we can just simply delete it. Look at that one, boom. Now what? So what the price can do, correction, sell, and they will break this low before next push to the upside. So liquidate all your positions, prepare yourself for another buy from the new low. That's gonna be by the end of the month. Okay, by the end of the month you will be able to find some buys again on ADA USDT. Okay, I really recommend you doing this. So another question, XAUUSD. I think that I have it over there, but let me see. ZIL, no, I don't have it. I will add it for you, man. ZIL USDT. It's supposed to be that one, yes. Yep. Oh, that's gonna be a huge correction probably. Okay, that could be a nice correction. If this corrects over there, going lower, tagging the low, breaking the low, and then buy again. Okay, so it could be just a huge structure breaking the low. I don't think that this is all the correction and this is going higher. No, I don't see picture like that. I see it more like this one. Now this will correct over there, and then they will go down, break the low. This all will become one big huge structure, and then they go. Okay, so keep an eye, watch for this. If these do so, then watch to break the low. If break the low, watch it to buy back and take a buy. Okay, it's gonna be easy job, easy for you. Okay, so what else? Keep going. If you want to analyze me, if you want me to analyze a chart for you, use the chat. Type in the chat which pair would you love me to analyze for you. Okay guys, if you decided to join us, send me the private message or go to the website. Okay, here you will find the link, tradewithmaster.eu, and you have to complete the registration. Then I will give you the access to our community. I will give you the access to educational video, and you will be there with us. That's most important. Okay, we are currently, and we will be doing that. Okay, so we are taking trades together. You take the responsibility of trades, and this is the only way to improve your knowledge, to make you a successful trader. You need to take responsibilities. On the way like that, you'll learn, you'll gain enough experience to become profitable trader. And we are doing that already for a month now. We changed this. It's new, let's say like that, and people are gaining a lot of knowledge. I can see a big, huge improvement on the people tradings. Okay, we already took 80 trades. Okay, 80 trades, what we already took, and 5 to 6 of them are having a stop loss. The rest is profit and break even. Now you decide, are we in nice profit or we are not? That's on you. Okay, and if you want to do so, if you want to join us, you have to join us. If you want to take a long-term direction, let's say trading, or spend years learning how to trade, go ahead, you can do that alone. But it will take you up to 5 years. Trust me. It is gonna be a long way before you will gain that much experience, which you can get there with us. Okay, and of course, if you join us, you have a lifetime access. Okay, you will be there trading with us all the time. On which platform you communicate with users? We are communicate on Slack. Slack is what we are using, and what we do when we have a webinar discussion, we use the Zoom. Okay, Zoom is what we use. and everyone can interact with each other. JSMUSD, can you look? Yes, I can. ICPUSD, I can look. Yes, can we look at Crow? Yes. Okay, I can look all those trades for you. Let me just see which one was the first. JS, what the hell is this one? Let's see, JASMUSDT. Oh, that one. Let's see what's this one. Okay, this is bit bigger. Okay, now the question is, Slack is on iOS. Yes, Slack is for both, for the iOS, Windows, Android, whatever. Okay, it's basically the big huge community. You can install it wherever you want. You can install it on your phone, you can install it on your computer, you can use only the web browser to access to it. That totally depends on you, what you want to, or how you would love to access to the community. Okay, so this chart, what it's trying to do, oh sorry, if this, come on, if this goes, sorry for that, if this is gonna go for the correction, take a sell, take profit, it's gonna go for the for the flat and one more low, and then they will go. Or this is all what we'll have, this will struggle over there and you can take a buy. Okay, it's a good chart to watch, so keep an eye, watch how this develops, take a buy opportunity. Sell is what you can miss, but definitely watch for buy flags. Oh sorry, I'm on daily, what the hell. So this could just struggle over there. Okay, so this is gonna be a little bit different as I saw on daily. Okay, so it's gonna do something like this, going lower, then you take a buy, you see how far this goes. Okay, every buy is what you have to take. Let's break the low. We are breaking the low already. Okay, so this could be the buy, take a buy, let's see how far it goes. If it reverse, close break even, wait for another buy, take a buy, again buy. If it reverse, break even. One of them will go. Which one? I have no idea, but you have to take every buy over there. Okay, maybe these to go for the sideways, going for low, and then they will start going. Okay, that's another option. Just keep an eye and watch how that develops over there. Okay, but good chart to watch. Okay, it's worth of watching it every day. So, do you use patterns? Any other indicator that help you out? Yeah, we use patterns. What we do is we rely totally on patterns. Okay, we are watching only patterns. That helps us to give the clear sense of direction where the market will go. ICPUSDT as well. Yes, I will add it. I think that I have that one. I see. Let me just see. ICPUSDT. All right, I have it. Down, sell it there. I see this one as the correction. This is correcting already, it's going down. Okay, so prepare yourself to buy from the low. If you're a spot trader, once it breaks, watch for the buy, then buy from there. Okay, so if you are the leverage trader, you can take a sell over there. Okay, easy and good chart. It's ICPUSDT as well. Okay, and what you can see, if we sum up now the crypto pairs, what we are anticipating, this, what you have over there, mostly what crypto is having is they're having a nice buy. Now they have this huge structure. What we're anticipating on all the altcoins, drop this, breaking this low at least. Okay, and then we'll start buying, but all of them will go for this movement. This is what we are seeing currently. Okay, this is our anticipated wave. So leverage traders can take some opportunities, can take some short-term sell stops, get out. Okay, don't hold them for a long, that ain't gonna last longer. It's gonna go just take the low, break the low, and the charts will start to reverse. Okay, easy and simple, right? There's not complicated stuff, no complications. Okay, so What else? Any other questions? Any other questions? So those who are first time there, watch the previous weekly market outlooks, the recordings. It's gonna help you. It will give you the understanding of the market. Okay, so if this is so, if this webinar helps you improve your knowledge, helps you understand the market, if you can improve your knowledge from the webinars, share the webinar with your friend. It may help to him as well. Okay, so share it, hit the like button. If you have any questions later on, feel free to leave a comment. Okay, I will see the comments and I will answer all your comments, of course. Okay, and if you decide to join us, here's the link. Here's the link at the top of my profile, and oops, sorry. And under every idea you will find my link. Okay, you can send me as well the email, and you can send me as well the private message. If you join the Telegram, there is as well the contact, so you can send the private message there as well. Okay, so this is everything. So take care everyone, enjoy your weekend, and I wish you a lot of profit in the upcoming week. Take care, enjoy your day, and see you next week. Bye bye everyone.